Guys, coming to the video here. So today I'm going to show you how to change the tail bulb on this 2004 Escape. Put the emergency light so I can show you that the left one is not working. So you can see there's no flash. And then right here, you can see the flash going on. So I'll show you guys how to replace that. Over here, we have these two screws. We're going to unscrew these two. One up there, one down here. Let's just unscrew those. Our screws taken out, we can easily just take this out. And then right over there, that's like a little, down below there, we could just pull that out. There we go. That's how it looks. And we're gonna take out this one right over here. This is the bulbs we're gonna replace. That's part number 4157. And this one we're just gonna twist to the left, and out it comes out, and you can tell from there, guys, it's burnt. So let's replace it. There we go. Yeah, as you can see there, you can tell it got burned right there. Now that we got the new one in, as you can see, what we can do is put our emergency lights on, right? And now it works. And that's how you change the tail light on a 2004 Escape. To reassemble, you want to align this part here with this, and that right there. Just push that in. All pretty much lines up. And then now we can screw in our screws. One screwed in. And now I'm just going to screw in the top. All nicely secured. And there we go. And this is how you can avoid a fix-it ticket. And I'm going to replace this one as well. Or you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to keep this bulb actually in here. So just in case if it goes out, at least I know I have one in here. And there you go.